Hello, so how to model curved shapes like this one in Blender. So I'm going to create a new project, delete this cube. I'm going to put the shortcut so you can see here. So I want to create a curved model. First, what you need to do, Shift A, I'm going to add a plane. And this plane is going to follow a curve, so it's going to be curved. So I can get this, go in edit mode by pressing tab, do A to select everything, S, Y to scale on Y. I'm going to put this like this, and I want this to follow a curve. So first what you need to do is to add loop cut so this plane can bend, because I can't bend this because it is only one face here. So Ctrl R, scroll up, you can do plus or minus on the keyboard. I'm going to put 14 like this, click escape. Now this can bend, and also after I can put a subdivision surface. So I have my plane. Now I'm going to create a curve. Shift A and add a curve, basic curve. I have the curve here. Tab. I'm going to X, delete the vertices of the curve. Now I have nothing. I can go on the side, so the curve is directly going to be flat on this. Do T, open this little menu in edit mode of the basic curve. And now you have draw a freehand spline. You can use this if you want to directly draw your curve, or you can just move the points of the basic curve. So here I'm going to draw here this one, not the annotate, this one. And here my curve is going to be like this. And I want now my plane to follow this curve. And if you want directly to move, I'm going to add a new basic curve, do edit mode, and then go on the side on -Y and do G, R to move this if you want. But I think the freehand, the draw, is better to do this. So you have your curve here, and now this we want to put on the curve. So the plane, click on the plane, go in modifier properties, add a modifier, put a curve modifier. Now curve object, we select our basic curve here. And now it looks like this, and I can change the deform. So here it is on X, and put on Y, on Z. I'm going to put on -X, so it is like this. Now the plane, when I move G, X on X, because I put -X on the deform, I'm going to follow like this. So I want mine to be like this. And now when I go in edit mode on the plane, it is like this, because it is not applied on the geometry. So we need to apply the curve modifier, apply the curve modifier. And now when I go in edit mode, my plane is like this. So I can hide the basic curve, or I can delete it. So go back in edit mode. Here I'm going to hide like this. Now the plane, here I can't work with the plane. So I want to delete this face, X faces. And I'm going to delete this X faces. A to select everything, and I'm going to extrude, Alt E, extrude faces along normals. Now I'm going to extrude like this, and when you extrude like this, make sure the normals are in a good orientation, so the face orientation is good. So click here and then do face orientation. If it is red, it means it is not on the right side. Mine is blue, so it is good. If it is red, go in edit mode, select everything here, and do mesh normals, and do flip. Or you can also do recalculate outside and recalculate inside. So now I have this. I'm going to disable the face orientation here. And what I can do, I can put a subdivision surface on this. So now I have a smooth surface here. Like this, I can do right click, shade smooth. And of course, I can, if I want my edges to be sharp, Control R, add a loop cut, click, escape, Control B, click here, Control R, I'm going to put one here, Control B, like this. Now this is going to look like this. If you want to get more than 60 websites to help you with your 3D, you can access my 3D resources. So you have a lot of websites to download textures, download 3D models, download HDRs, sound effects, animations, character. You have the link in the description to access my resources. And you can also check out my courses on my website. You have the link on the screen here and also the link in the description. And you can join my newsletter to receive weekly discounts on the courses. So you have everything in the description, and I will see you in another video. Bye.